All right, Tuesday morning. Rained a little bit, got a late start here on the workflow with the old man, but out here doing a driveway. About to take the first load to dump it, and yeah, later on tonight, got date night with the wife. We got some friends coming over for gonna ride some pit bikes and have some pizza. So that's the game plan. Like I said though, first up, workflow, cash flow. I don't know. I'm just working with the old man this morning. We're pouring some concrete. Don't have a lot of powder going on this week, so that's what we're doing. Kyle, how do you feel about what your wife's doing right now?
It's a rare species.
Calm down.
Just jump right in on them.
Easily excitable.
Like, get the little things in life with her.
And many times angry. Oh wow, that actually is kind of solid. Oh, it's like noodling. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Just stick it in there.
It's like noodling. Nothing bad will
The
happen.
frog's not in that little, like...
Yeah, I saw it go in here. It went down here.
It jumped right over it and went into the weeds. I watched it.
What?
Yeah, I promise. Jesus Christ, that's a short clutch.
Doesn't work at all.
I remember my first day riding too.
That's got a fucking clutch.
I'm like, is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? And then it just takes forever.
Put it in neutral. Now you're in second.
I don't want to eat shit.
You just fucking... Kim, you just got to go head first. Just dive in after it. Well, the problem is if you're standing upright and you try and get them, they can see you coming with the shadow. If you dive in straight at them, they don't see your shadow coming.
I can get it.
I think the head first method is the way to go.
Listen here.
Oh,
Here's that one.
I think your frog's gone.
You want me to go get the dog? He'll go swimming with
Oh, you're worried about us moving and scaring it away. Interesting. See, it's the head first method. I told you. Why didn't you just do this from the start?
Hurry up, I gotta pee.
We'll just go in the pond like we normally do.
This is the best footage I've gotten like in months.
Oh, and he escaped.
Damn it, Kim.
It was a good try, honey.
You really suck at this frog hunting. Zoe, you want to go help her?
No.
I think that gray dirt that frog's on super solid. Just jump onto that. Oh wow, it actually is kind of solid. Get it through the crevasse and onto the glacier. Oh, that was almost good. That's what we're looking for.
Oh, God.
I don't think I'm gonna get that.
Oh, wait a... No, not with that attitude you won't.
You're